Hey, in front of me is Doogee S70 and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of your keyboard on this Doogee. Firstly, go into settings, scroll all the way down and tap on system. Then languages and input, virtual keyboard, Gboard and finally theme. Over here, choose show more to see all available ones, and when you're done, click on one of those images and tap on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. Finally, click on apply. You can do the same with one of those colors. So now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!